Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 2E and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zap application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. And on it, you should see the list of my devices. And on that list, there should be your Amazfit GTR 2E. Tap on it to select it. Here, find the option called Notifications and Reminders and tap on it. And right here, we have three types of notifications. We have app notifications, incoming call, and incoming SMS. First, let's tap on app notifications. And if you don't have required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will see this warning message. And if you see it, you need to tap on it, tap on OK, and it will redirect you to the device and app notifications. And what we need to do here is to find the Zap application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then we can go back to the app. And if you don't see any warning messages anymore, you can enable and disable the notifications. And you can also enable or disable the option to notify only when phone is locked. If this option is enabled and you're using your phone, the screen on your phone is basically enabled, it's on. You won't receive the notifications on your watch. So if you don't want to, if you want to receive the notifications even though your phone is active, you will need to disable this option. And here we have the list of notifications, or rather not notifications, my bad, applications you can enable or disable the notifications for. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications for the app, and you receive the notification from that app on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. If you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, it will only display on your phone. So enable and disable the notifications for the apps you like. And once you're done, you can go back. And now we can tap on incoming calls. And this is basically for the calls. So if somebody calls you on your phone, and the watch will inform you about it. So if you want to use this feature, tap on incoming calls, enable it, tap on got it, OK. And if you don't have the required permissions enabled, you will need to tap here and allow the permissions until the messages disappear. And now the notifications for the incoming calls should be working. You can also enable and disable the option to show the contact information. And you can also enable the delay. And how it works is basically if somebody calls you on your phone, the watch will wait the specific time you set. So for example, let's say 20 seconds after the call, and it's gonna start vibrating and telling you that somebody is calling you. Okay, next we have incoming SMS. So basically for the messages, and you can enable it or disable it. And once you're done setting up your notifications, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch, and it also is here, which means that the notifications are working. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.